Hey everyone, it's Mandy Mac. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ipsy unbagging for December. If you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. You get 5 samples of 5 products. At the end of it, you get to rate how you liked your samples, what was good, what was bad. It's been really cool because I've got to try things that I probably never would, and I've actually liked them. So that's it. Let's get into it. It's so pretty. This is this month's bag. A little tassel bag. Ipsy. I'm in Canada. It doesn't work here. Our first product is It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. There's the applicator. We'll see how it works. It seems like any regular mascara applicator, but based on their pictures, we'll see. My lashes are naturally very long, so I love testing out mascaras because I am the true tester. I am the master. Next product says Frozen Lipstick. Not sure who it's by. Hashtag INM. Ooh, what a pretty lipstick. I don't know if maybe once you put it on, it turns red, or, excuse that, that's from before. Oh, so it's only red. Here. Cool, I can dig red lipsticks. Our third product. Ooh, a brush from Farah, F-A-R-A-H. It is the 35E. And it's like a tapered, almost like a blending brush. It's a little thick. I can dig it though. I can dig it. Our fourth product is by Nomad Around the World. It is a light infusion powder, buttery, super blendable holographic illuminator, and dual chrome glow. It's a cute little compact, adorable. Look at that. Let's see. Ooh, it is very buttery. Pretty. Might be a little too dark for me, but we could always use it as a eyeshadow. And our final product is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So I guess it's just how to visit generationclay.com for details. That's a little frustrating. I don't think they should be saying your how to use it is on a website, but to each their own. It has its protectant on it, and I'm not gonna use it anytime soon. So we'll leave that on there. But that was this month's Ipsy Unbagging. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite product is down below. I think mine of this unbagging is definitely the brush. Anytime I get brushes, I'm like, ah. So yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for being here. Catch me in the next Ipsy Unbagging. It's for January, and then February will come. Okay, bye.